Hey there, it's John Weiser, and what I'm doing here right now is I'm going to show you how to set up your funnels in the Power Lead system. Okay, so you're brand new, you just got in, you got to set up your domain, you're an affiliate, you've set up your picture, maybe you're a diamond member, maybe you're a platinum member, maybe you're an MTI member. All right, to get started, first thing I always like to do after I've done all these things, which are the simplest things that we can do, is I want to set up my funnel. All right. We have funnel codes in Freedom Guide VIP training in the private group, and I'll show you how to get there. So what you want to do, so we're going to go over here to Facebook here, and there's a file called sharing codes, PLS. These are funnels. These are sharing codes, right? Let me fix this so they're on separate lines. All right. So what we want to do, let's go ahead and grab, let's do this one, VIP LC7. Okay. Copy. So you can right click and copy, Command C, Control C, depending on what type of machine you're using. Now back in the Power Lead system, we'll hover over websites up here and go over to miscellaneous, my sharing codes, right? And you'll notice, I've put in quite a few sharing codes so far, right? So which one did we grab? We grabbed VIP LC7. All right. You notice I don't have that in here yet. So we're going to paste that. We're going to click submit. We tried this here and it did work. Okay, good. So we want to scroll down to it and make sure you go through it. Make sure everything came through. So you click manage and it'll have a lead capture page, email only. So if you want to see what that looks like. All right, it'll be right here. VIP capture, lead capture number 7. So we test the link. That's awesome. You see, we have that set up. Now, do you want to see how the entire funnel looks? And you want to get this thing set up completely. So what we want to do, all right, so what we want to do now is we're going to find that lead capture. And I like to use email only. I suggest that you're going to get a better opt-in rate that way. So just find that and click copy. All right. And then that's going to pull up a new page here. And name this something that you can remember. So this can be my main funnel PLS 1, whatever, right? And you can leave this title of the page so whenever they open it, blah, blah, blah. Now, this is really cool. What I've noticed is this funnel right here is broken. All right, so what we want to do is you want to go through here, my main funnel, PLS1, and then you can choose a domain that you already have. You can use the main domain, or you can create a new subdomain. So we can call this one my or PLS1 theleadsmonster.com, or if you got 2 like I do here. So we'll just leave it PLS1 that, and then we'll get to Aweber later. If you don't have Aweber set up yet, you go ahead and send the autoresponder campaign too. So after they opt in and they see the sales page, they're going to get the email series. So you should have these right here. Viral cache, 19 messages. If you don't have that, we'll go back through it. We'll make sure you set up your funnels correctly. Okay, so this actual funnel did not include the email message. All right. Now, this right here if your web page is using a survey, which it does, that's this page right here, the main thing that we showed you whenever we looked. So whenever they enter their email address, that's a capture page. And then they're going to go to a page in your website. So you're promoting the power lead system with this funnel. So what you want to do is you want to go, I've got a lot of pages here, so I apologize. Here we go. So what you could do, you could pull that up and then you can actually view the page and see what it's going to look like. And this is what we want right here. We want this page right here. This is a highly converting page. So that's going to be the sales page. So what's going to happen, they're going to go to PLS1, theleadsmonster.com. In my case, they're going to click in. They're going to see that capture page. They're going to put their email address in. And then it's going to take them to this page right here. And then their email address that they entered will receive a series of emails here. Now, if you want to know how to set up Aweber, which I highly recommend, $10 a month, exceptional service. Emails go out flawlessly. You get full tracking on it. I really recommend that. What we'll do is I'll go through another video and I'll show you how to set up Aweber. All right, very simple, very, very simple. I'll even have a code that you can get Aweber for a really good price. So this is here, then you save your changes to your website. Leave it the way that it is. You don't want to change anything. It looks great the way that it is. Don't worry about, oh, this looks crazy, doesn't it? It's okay. Let's go ahead and save changes and then let's view what we have here. So look, this is what it's going to look like. They're going to enter in their email. In this case, we're just going to skip it just to see what the funnel looks like. It's going to take them here. They watch this video. They see a ton of value in this video and they want to join. They start a free trial. Boom. There you go. You have a new gold member. All right. Simple as that. Now, let's go back and set up another funnel because we want to go ahead and set all of these up, right? So let's close this and let's go back to my sharing codes. And then we're going to go back over here and let's set up this funnel right here. It's 344-762-Viral Simple Freedom 2018. All right. I don't think I have that one set up in here yet. No, I do not. So let's paste that in there. Let's submit. So they got that working. Here it is. This is a Franco lead system. This is a great capture page right here. So here it is, Franco lead system. You see right here. So let's take a look at it. It's beautiful. You see that there? Exceptional. All right. These are great capture pages. So what you want to do is you want to make a copy. And so I can get it up at the top of my list. I like to do like a 1-. And that way I know that I copied it and it's mine. You see this one right here already has everything set up. You want to make sure that it goes to sales page SPA, right? All right. If you want to change your domain, you can make it your main domain by clicking this button here, or we can create a new one and we can say Franco or whatever. And there we go. Save, and we are good to go. All right. If you want to know how to set up Aweber, you can continue watching. If you don't want to deal with Aweber right now, okay, we'll go ahead and you can shut the video off and you can set up the rest of your funnels, or you can rewind and watch the rest of the funnels. highly recommend checking this out. So what we want to do is I'm going to go on over to Aweber and get it into my account. All right. So what you really want to do is you want to create a new list. You can see I have all these lists here. So in this situation, we're going to go to Manage Lists. We're going to go Create a List. Company name, I recommend leaving that the same. Excuse me. It's your company website. You can change that if you want. In this case, I'm going to change it to my main. Change it to my top offer. We'll just leave it at Astro Profits, right? Because that's going to go to my PLS. No big deal. You want to keep the center name as your name, and I totally recommend having your own domain here. You don't have a Gmail or anything like that. You want it to look good when it comes through, because this is the email that they're going to see, right? I actually have my real address here, so don't come to my house. Just kidding. But if you have a P.O. box, I recommend it, but it's okay if you want to use your regular address. It's fine. Let's name this list Lead Generation Strategies 1. Okay, that's what I would name it. Briefly describe it. You can say, here you will learn how to generate unlimited leads for your business, service, products using proven methods used exclusively by my team. Something like that. Okay? Alrighty. Leave this alone. Don't worry about it. Go approve message, create list. All right. So we want to go to our new list, leadgenerationstrategies.com. Okay. So lead options, and then we'll go to lead settings. See here, lead settings. Alrighty. Now, basic settings, leave that alone. Personalize your list. You can add an email signature. You can upload a logo. Confirmation message. All right, let's turn off double opt-in. The reason being is they're already opting in when they come to your PLS page, okay? So we want to turn this off. If you have less than 100 subscribers on Aweber, you're going to have to ask and let them know that you're using an API to generate your email list. Okay? So what you want to do is you want to go up here to help after let's go back. Sorry about that. So we want to turn those off, save settings. All right. Go up here to help. And we want to go to live support. They have the best customer service there is. Chat with customer solutions team now at any time. What you say to them is you give them the name of the list. So in this case, we have, let's see, lead generation strategies 1. So say on lead generation strategies 1, I need double opt-in turned off because I'm having API transfer my leads. They will turn it off. That way, whenever they come through here, they don't have to opt in again. They've already opted in one time. So, okay, so we've named this Franco. You set up your list. What we want to do. So what I'm going to do right here. So we're going to add in lead to Aweber. And it's not going to show up yet because I just created it. But you can see all my other lists are in there. So once you get that list, let's go ahead and save this guy. All right. And then we'll go back to edit basics because it's saved and it's just going to refresh the page. So look what happens here. Lead generation strategies, that list we just created. That's going to be our opt-in for this guy right here, for this page. Let's go ahead and name it Franco, streamofleads.com. Actually, it's Franco, the leads monster. Never mind. Sorry about that. All right, let's save that and submit that and save changes. So in order to have Aweber set up, we're going to go through a few steps. All right, so we're going to talk about setting up your Aweber. Let's say you've already created your Aweber account and you got your lists created and all that, right? Still got to connect it to Powered Lead System. Now, prior to making this video, I already had mine set up, but I'm going to show you how simple it is to set up once you have your Aweber account. If you run into any issues, I'll be happy to walk you through it. There are tons of videos as well that can actually show you how to do it. So what we want to do is we're going to go to account and we're going to go down to my business, right? Oh, wrong one, sorry. So we're going to go to websites and miscellaneous Aweber get response, right? So we're going to choose the domain that we're working with. So in this case, I thought that I created the one Franco. I'm not seeing that. No big deal. We will just do one. Doesn't really matter. Let's do Franco. Here we go. Stream of leads. Leads monster. That's it. Sorry, guys. All right. So click go. And you see I'm already set up. But look down here. I don't have get response. And it'll say set up on next page. So you don't have Aweber yet. It's going to say set up on next page. Let me fix this too because we want that going there. All right. So you'll click submit and it will take you to the next page. So we want to go back. Let's go back on that. So let's say we're going to set up get response. We're going to click submit and then you will get a page just like this on Aweber. Me personally, I like Aweber. I've used both. Get response is okay. I just like Aweber better. I've been with them a long time. They're very, very, very good company. So submit. That's that. You only got to do that once. And then anytime that you set up a new funnel, a new page or anything, and we'll go over some of that as well. Anytime you set up a new funnel page, opt-in, lead generation account, it doesn't matter. It's already done. You don't have to do it again. So we went through how to take your share codes, put them in your system, how to set up your Aweber, how to get your Aweber connected directly to Power Lead System. Okay, now getting the emails into Aweber, we're going to do another video on that. Okay, that's actually very simple. I will actually go through that. I won't go through step by step, but I will give you a guide how to do it. Okay. All right. That's that. If you have any questions about that, we just come over to the Freedom Guide VIP training for PLS and Exodus Elite and send me a message or send me an email, john@johnweiser.com, or visit me on Facebook, john.c.weiser. So it's facebook.com/john.c.weiser. I'll be more than happy to help you out. Okay, we'll point you in the direction of a better video. Hopefully this will help you. Can be a little bit overwhelming at first, but once you do this a few times, it's very, very simple. All right, thank you very much, and I'll see you on the next video.